Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll teach you how to use Supreme IT step by step. If you like this video, you can visit our website for more information, or you can email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.
New name, same powerful formula. Supreme IT, formerly known as Reclaim IT, is a bifenthrin insecticide concentrate designed for broad-spectrum control of over 70 different insects. Once applied, this product's residual will leave no offensive odor and continue to control pests and prevent infestations for up to 90 days. To use Supreme IT, you'll need to mix the product with water before application. For most outdoor applications and for indoor use, we recommend you apply the solution with a handheld pump sprayer. When applying Supreme IT outdoors, you may also use a hose and sprayer, a backpack sprayer, or a spray rig, depending on the size of the treatment area. Supreme IT is great for treating many common pests like fleas, ants, and mosquitoes. It can also be used in drench treatments to control termites. A little goes a long way with Supreme IT, as its low mix rate and high performance make it an economical choice for homeowners and professionals alike. To calculate the amount of product you need to use, calculate your treatment area's square footage by multiplying the area's length by its width. Check Supreme IT's label for the application rate you'll need to treat your targeted pest, and use the measuring cup to portion out the right amount of product. To treat most pests, you can mix up to 1 whole fluid ounce of product into 1 gallon of water to apply evenly over 1,000 square feet of treatment area. Fill your sprayer with half the required amount of water, then use the bottle's tip and pour feature to measure the correct amount of product you'll need. Add it in, then add the remaining amount of water, and close and shake once more to ensure an even distribution of product. Once the solution is fully mixed, you can add additional products like marking dyes or surfactants. After you've prepared your solution, you can apply it as a broadcast spray, as a barrier spray, and in cracks and crevices indoors such as around baseboards, around water pipes, around doors and windows, and behind and underneath appliances. Outdoors, you can apply this product over lawns, ground cover, shrubs, flowers, non-bearing fruit and nut trees, and exterior structural features such as around doors, windows, eaves, utility penetrations, external lighting, and any other voids leading into the structure. For broadcast spraying, surface spraying, or barrier spraying, use a fan nozzle spray setting to get uniform coverage. For crack and crevice spraying, use a pin stream nozzle setting for precision application. Supreme IT is labeled to be used in residential areas like private homes and apartment complexes, as well as in commercial and public sites like parks, campsites, athletic fields, and playgrounds. Do not apply this product in greenhouses, nurseries, over golf course turf, and do not apply directly to firewood. Supreme IT is best used when pest activity is high. This can be between spring and fall for much of the United States. Outdoors, we recommend applying on calm days to avoid wind drift. Indoors, conduct your application when the room to be treated is unoccupied and will not be disturbed by people or pets. Once dry, Supreme IT will leave a residual that will continue to treat pests for up to 90 days depending on weather and pest severity. We recommend you make reapplications quarterly to ensure protection year-round. Supreme IT is safe to use and harmless to children or pets when used according to label directions. Always wear the proper personal protective equipment or PPE when handling chemicals. Do not allow people or pets into treatment areas until the product has dried completely. To help avoid over-application in spot and broadcast treatments outdoors, we recommend you use a marking dye like Vision Blue or Vision Pro Max. These products are temporary colorants used to indicate where you've already sprayed. When mixed into your spray solution, your application will leave turf a deep blue color, reminding you where you've sprayed so you know not to apply there again. To ensure the efficacy of your spray application, we recommend you use a surfactant. When mixed with your pesticide solution, it helps the active ingredient spread and stick more easily to applied surfaces, increasing the treated surface area. Finally, for full control of your pest infestation, we recommend you use an insect growth regulator, or IGR. IGRs target juvenile pests, preventing them from developing into reproductive adults and busting the pest's life cycle. Supreme IT is a great product that will treat over 70 different pests for up to 90 days.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.